Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to announce the winner of the FIDE World Cup 2025, Javokir
Sindarov. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, the hall is way too silent. Let's hear you make some noise.
Mr. Sindarov, it is a very proud moment for us to play your national anthem now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Uzbekistan.
Thank you so much. Mr. Sindarov, please do not move. We'd like you to pay attention to the screen behind you. We have a very exciting surprise for you. This is something truly touching. You are going to love this. You ready for your surprise? Let's play it.
Turli zararli g'oya va ta'sirlar kuchayib borayotgan hozirgi mana menga yangi xushxabar keldi. Hozirgi daqiqalarda yana bitta xushxabar. 19 yashar vatandoshimiz Javohir Sindarov Hindistonda o'tayotgan Jahon Kubogini g'olibi bo'ldi. Finalda Xitoylik Wei Yinni yutib 2026-yildagi jahon chempionligiga da'vogar bo'ldi. Hamma aytgan gaplarimiz tagida zamin borligidan yana bitta dalil desak va Javohir qahramonimizni yana bir marta olqishlasak.
The people of your country and your president salute you in a special message.